Hasteo 32Crore Swbaiwi Kaicharchi Integrated Farming Cluster Swnamjaknani Samung Khlaijagwi Tongkha Kamai Amchai economy no Swkangwi Twlangnani bagwi Samung Khlaijagwi Tongkha Tabukni Haste Haphang Sangrongsalo Rajakhor Agulio Chengjakmani Integrated Agriculture Clusters rwgwi National Workshop Pandao Koksanani Thangwi Kokno Sakha Hasteni Montri Okra Professor Sakha Northeast Hasteni bagwi Integrated Agricultural Cluster rwgwi National Workshop Pandao Khlaijagwi Shalthamni bagwi Sangrongsalo Chengjakmani National Workshop Pandao 30 August Halmari Zora Tonglai Bharat Haphangni Rural Development Department Rajakhor Tripura Rural Livelihood Mission no Chobasu Khlaiwi atang butang Chengjakmani hanai Northeast Hasteni Shimi Dalvidal Lokora Phai Manjak Phaika Kamai Amchai Sustainable Agricultural Practice Khlaimani Bishingte Tebukara Khlaiwi Dishanani te Virlai Mong Khlainani bagino tang butang Pandao Manjaka Hasteni Montri Okra Professor Sakha Rural Development Department Secretary Abhishek Singh Tripura Rural Livelihood Mission ni CEO Chakma Rural Development Union Minister Rajakhor SM lo khobi te kubana tong ro Ashale Pandani Bisingti Department ni kaine booklet fyok Sakha Abni Agulio o Pandao Koksanani Thangwi Hasteni Montri Okra Professor Sakha Debatal Vidarna Komani Koklam Sakha Abni Agulio no Debu Sakha Hasteni Buri Rokno Self-Reliant Khlaiwi Dishanani te Self-Reliant State Swnamjaknani bagino Samung Khlaijagwi Tongkha Haste Haphang Abhagino Tripura Rural Livelihood Mission ni Bishingte Tabukni Self-Help Groups Cluster Level Federation Producer Group Stroke Burokni Swbaiwi Swnamjaknani Sakha hanai Abhagino Debu Sakha Hasteo Self-Help Groups 54,113 Tongo hanai Aro Buriro 4,85,000 Burok Tongo hanai
I attended another program where from the northeastern regions all the participants came, and again here I have seen from the northeastern regions all the delegates have come. My greetings to all of you. It is a matter of pride for Tripura to host such an important national level event which carries with its promise of transforming rural livelihood in the Northeast. Agriculture remains the backbone of our country and its economy and the lifeline of rural household. In order to strengthen livelihoods, particularly for women's self-help group members, the integrated farming cluster approach has been conceptualized under the Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihood Mission by the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. I am happy to share that in Tripura we have already launched activities for 80 Integrated Farming Cluster, that is the IFCs, with an investment of rupees 32 crore, inaugurated at the Sampurnata Abhijan Samman Samaroho on 2nd August 2025. The objective of this integrated farming clusters is to diversify and intensify livelihood intervention so that rural households can increase their incomes through integration and synergy. Each IFC will cover around 250 to 300 small and marginal farmers, and they are linked with livelihood service centers and which provide quality seeds, natural fertilizers, equipment, aggregation facilities and better market access. Every IFC will have dedicated support providers, that is Krishi Shokhis, then Poshu Shokhis, Matsya Shokhis and community resource personnel, who will provide extension, training and hand-holding support to farmers. Under the TRLM, we have built a robust foundation of women-led community institution. Today, there are about 4.85 lakh women members in 54,113 self-help groups, 2,470 village organizations and 173 cluster level federation. For strengthening their livelihood, 2,628 producer groups and 118 non-farm collectives have been developed, and we have supported with 1,677 crore bank loans and rupees 787 crore as revolving fund and community investment fund.
Hasteo 32Crore Swbaiwi Kaicharchi Integrated Farming Cluster Swnamjaknani Samung Khlaijagwi Tongkha Kamai Amchai economy no Swkangwi Twlangnani bagwi Samung Khlaijagwi Tongkha Tabukni Haphang Abobai tabuksak jora Tripura 108,281 lokorok lakpa Tongkha hanai Rajakhor Agulio Kokno Chini Khorang